Former U.S. President Donald Trump has defended his wealth and business dealings in a civil fraud trial. This as he denounced the lawsuit, and I'm quoting him here, politically motivated attack. He dismissed all allegations of inflating his net worth. Trump went on and slammed the Attorney General and the court officials before taking to the witness stand. He said estimates of his property were inaccurate. Take a listen.
While Ukraine is being attacked, I think it went very well. I think you were there and you listened and you see what a scam this is. This is a case that should have never been brought. It's a case that should be dismissed immediately. The fraud was on behalf of the court. The court was the fraudster in this case. They made references to assets that were very valuable, and they said they had no idea. They had no idea what the numbers were when they said $18 million from Mar-a-Lago, and it's 50 to 100 times that amount by any estimation.
During his trial, Trump even complained of unfair treatment on the witness stand. Amid his heated exchanges, Judge Arthur Engoron threatened Trump that he might be removed from the witness stand if he continued to evade direct questions. This is not the first time that Trump has been involved in a heated argument with the judge. Earlier, Trump had also accused the judge of being a radical leftist appointed by the Democrats to tarnish his image. Judge Engoron replied to Trump by slapping two fines of $5,000 and $1,000 each. Now, in the midst of this intense courtroom drama, Trump reluctantly admitted that his company had not provided accurate assessments of the value of various assets, and these include apartment towers and golf courses. The prosecution argued that these inflated valuations had often been used to secure more favorable financing terms, and also the judge had already ruled them to be fraudulent. Trump, like his sons, is expected to hold a defensive line by pinning the blame on the accountants, as they are the ones who ultimately are responsible for verifying the firm's financial statements. Well, as of now, there's a low chance that Trump and his sons will end up in jail due to this case. But they might face heavy penalties of around $250 million and also removal from the management of the family company. Trump has repeatedly said that the case is a politically motivated one. Meanwhile, Trump's daughter is due to testify on Wednesday. Though she is not a defendant in the case, earlier this week, Trump's two sons were questioned in a courtroom over the same case. New York Attorney General Letitia James has accused the Trump Organization of increasing the value of its assets by billions of dollars in a bid to obtain more favorable bank loans and insurance terms.
He rambled, he hurled insults, but we expected that. At the end of the day, the documentary evidence demonstrated that, in fact, he falsely inflated his assets to basically enrich himself and his family. He continued to persistently engage in fraud. But I will not be bullied. I will not be harassed. This case will go on. We look forward to hearing the testimony of Ivanka Trump on Wednesday, and then we plan on closing our case